This brand is a private label brand made for the Everest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA. The brand uses aluminized steel primary heat exchangers that resist corrosion and are less expensive, but they are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel, and their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands. The furnaces use durable silicon nitride hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems. All of the units use durable ECM blower motors, which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. The GCSS 92 model is a basic gas furnace with a 92% AFUE combustion efficiency and a fixed-speed blower, but it does not have a unit replacement guarantee, while the GMSS 96 models have a 96% AFUE efficiency and a unit replacement guarantee, where the entire furnace is replaced if the heat exchanger fails within the first 10 years after installation. The GMEC 96 models are premium gas furnaces with a 2-stage gas valve, 2-speed inducer, and a fixed-speed blower motor, while the GCVC 96 models have a variable speed blower and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The GMVM 97 model is their entry in the ultimate category and features a variable speed inducer motor, variable speed blower motor, and a modulating gas valve to precisely match the heating needs of the home for longer operating cycles and more uniform temperatures throughout the home. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.